JD Cap 26 here, just do tips and hobbies. And join me in making Mr. Gasser from Atlantis Models. It's a weirdo model. We're just tearing open the box here. There's the inside of the model. Got it out on the bench when you open the bag up. The parts all spread out, and here's the instructions, and it's pretty easy to do. We're cutting the parts off here now and going to glue them together. Make sure you glue his mouth in before you do anything. You know, putting the two things together. So glue his mouth in. Some parts together already. The body and arm and steering wheel. Now we're going to do his feet. There's his feet put together. We put the front and rear bumper on here. And we're going to have to probably putty it. Hey guys, he's all put together except the steering wheel. The stick shift actually, and we had to putty him up. We're going to sand him afterwards. So there's a little bit more to do to this guy, the Gasser. So I hope you like this video. Please rate and subscribe. Watch for the next video with this is all painted. And we'll see ya. Bye for now.